Hello guys, today we're gonna give you a preview of what to expect when you finally receive your LooxidVR. The LooxidVR box looks like this, white and minimal. When you take off the top cover, the first thing that will catch your attention is a device in the foam slot, and on the right you'll see these two boxes. On top of each box, you'll see that they're labeled with stickers, which represent the items that they contain. The software can be downloaded from our website www.looxidlabs.com/LooxidVR. You can download the software either for the Mac or Windows. There will be a registration code which you will need in order to use the provided software. The installation process should be fairly easy. Just click on the program and then click Install. Once the installation process is over, the control panel should appear on your screen. When the installation process is complete, the control panel should appear like this. If you're using a laptop or a desktop, make sure that it is connected to the same network as your smartphone. When both devices are connected to the same network, a notification window should appear on your screen when you press on Connect app. Now it's time to get your LooxidVR ready. First, take your EEG mask, and you'll notice that in the back there's a magnetic strip. There's also a magnetic strip inside the device, so make sure that when you put them together, that they align so that the EEG mask doesn't fall off. In the front, you'll notice that there's an acrylic plate where the smartphone should be inserted. Remove the acrylic plate just like this, and then insert your smartphone as you can see. When your device is paired, it'll say connected just like this. When you wear your device, you'll notice that on the right side of the control panel under brainwave, that the 6 channels should be responding. In the middle, under pupil position, you'll notice how the cameras are recording the position of the pupils for each eye. Under pupil size, you'll notice how the cameras are recording the size for each pupil, and whenever you blink, the size will change. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice that there's a start button, so that whenever you want to start recording, just press it, and whenever you want to stop recording, just click stop. To check the recorded files, go to the folder in the file location section, and you'll see the recorded files. Well guys, this is the end of our preview. We hope that the LooxidVR will be a great addition to your research, and we hope that you're as excited as we are. Yay!